5-8. Facing a super small c-bet, we're going to check raise. On this turn card, we're going to overbet. Nice. Pocket tens, we're going to check call the flop. Okay, so I think we nearly always have the best hand here with pocket tens. Because we do have some bluffs, some missed draws, we're going to lead the river here with confidence. Nice. So you have pocket nines. So that was a lovely river bet there from us. See the cold 4-bet here for Tiny. And I think he has a 4-bet fold here, so for that reason we're going to just call. And this could be an action killer now. I think we're going to check twice. I like his small bet sizing here. Just don't think we can raise here. I think it's just too obvious. And I think it's best to just check the river here. I think this is the best line if we want to try and get max value for our hand here. All right, easy call. Nice. Given we decided to just flat that cold 4-bet, we do need to continue that story of looking weak, so we can max value versus his bluffs. 4-3, we check the flop. We're going to call this pot bet here on the turn. Interesting river card here. Tough spot if he decides to overbet, because even though we have a full house, we literally just have a bluff catcher now versus his Jack X. With this run out, surely we have to pay him off. Nice bluff. Almost got it through. Ace deuce. I like 3-betting in this spot. Let's hope we don't see a jam from this short stack guy, which we do. Okay, so got caught with our hands in the cookie jar though. Right, ace king. We open, get 3-bet. We see a 4-bet. So I guess there's just one bet sizing here. Right, good luck us. Right, so we're racing. We had 35%, so maybe it just already took into account that that guy had some of our outs. Alright, so we get stacked. Going to play king jack suited and pocket threes here on the button. Take over the betting lead with king jack. I think we do want to c-bet here with pocket threes. Lovely turn card here for us. We are going to overbet. Wow. Did he flop a set of 4s or 3s? Either that, or he's got a monster draw. He could have the same hand as us, I guess. He could have 6-7 of diamonds. 5-6 of diamonds. Either way, I think we're going to go with it with king jack. Good luck. Well, it's good to not see a snap call. Yeah, so you had the big combo draw. Queen jack. We are going to call this check raise. So in this situation where we see a check raise on a wet board, and then the turn pairs. I think small bet sizings make sense, because if we do have boats, we've got all those drawing hands drawing dead, right? So it's pretty hard for them to continue. And if we get check raised, then we're just going to know that we're beat. Yeah, so we can small bet there. I think accomplishes the same thing. Right, going to call this 3-bet with 5-6. Right, so that's a pretty decent looking flop here. Right, so we're going to take over the betting lead. Awkward stack sizings here on the turn. I think we're just going to commit ourselves here. Any snap calls? Okay, very nice. The 5-6 of hearts is very awkward stack sizing there. I obviously want to get all the money in. I don't want to rely on him check raising versus a small bet, or give him the option to kind of just call. And then when we whiff out, as we did, it's like, well, what do we do now, sort of thing. Again, 3-bet king queen and ace king on the left here. I think we're just going to bet small. And king queen here, we're going to c-bet. On this turn card, that now brings in the backdoor flush draws. We are going to overbet. And king queen, we are going to bet twice here. The 5 is an irrelevant card. Right, so we get called now, and the backdoor flush does complete. I am reluctantly going to check this back. I think it's an interesting spot. Maybe I think we should have value bet smaller, I think. Maybe on the river. Ace deuce, see a nice flop. But we're going to check our range here. And let's see what happens. So I think ace deuce now falls into a check raise. And see a massive raise. Right, we're not gonna fold here when we take this line. Might be a punt, but I don't see how this can be too bad. Right, good luck, chat. Boom. Sweet. Jack 9 suited. We're gonna flat here. Right, so we're hitting some flops now, chat. We had an insanely horrible start, and let's hope things can pick up from here. We're gonna call. Yeah, we're hitting some cards now, chat. So let's see what this guy wants to do. He's going to check now. I think this is a turn card for us to overbet. We have some 8-7 of spades, some queen 10 of spades, some 10-9 of spades. As now, we are just going to try and represent the Jack X hand to balance our bluffs. Right, so here comes the overbet. Shame. Right, we're really deep with this guy, so we are going to play Jack 8 suited here on the button. Not much we can do here, so we're going to check back. And Jack 8 here, we're going to go for an overbet. This board connects quite well with our calling range. Right, so he makes the call. But we didn't make the bet on the turn to give up on the river here. So we are going to bet the river. Come on, fold. Boom. Come on. All right, nice flop for pocket eights. We're going to bet small here and allow 7x hands from this guy to continue. On this turn card, we do want to double barrel here, as we would with our backdoor flush draws. So let's see if we can get a stubborn 7x hand to call twice. Right, we're going to snap, check back the river, and pray to see 9-7, 6-8 clubs even. All right, nice hand. Expect to see a small bet here, which we're going to check raise with 10-9. So it's not a really small bet. Yeah, I'm quite sensitive to bet sizing, so I think versus this size, we'll just check call. And we're going to call twice with 10-9. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to check raise. I think that c-bet sizing feels more value. I think his bluffs will be a lot smaller. I think close to like a min bet, essentially. Perhaps probably shouldn't even call the double barrel, to be fair. Okay, just going to set out the next couple of hands. And then we're going to end the stream. So this guy likes to blast off. So we're going to not deny him that opportunity and just go into check call mode. Right, we're going to continue calling with king queen. Okay, despite us having like a near 500 big blind stack here, we're actually about break even. Yeah, some interesting hands today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.